Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about half subtractor. So we are also going to discuss about the definitions of subtractor, types of subtractors, truth table, Boolean expression of the half subtractor, logic circuit and its application. So first of all, what is a subtractor? Subtractor is an electronic logic circuit for calculating the difference between two binary numbers, which provides the difference and borrow as output. Normally in subtractors, we can see that the difference and borrow will be the outputs. So next one is the types of subtractors. So there are two types of subtractors. One is half subtractor and the other one is full subtractor. So today we are going to discuss about only the half subtractor. So what is a half subtractor? Half subtractor is used for subtracting one single bit binary number from another single bit binary number. So this is the definition of subtractor. In half subtractors, we have two inputs and two outputs. The inputs are A and B and the outputs are difference and borrow. So half subtractor is the most essential combinational logic circuit which is used in digital electronics. Basically, this is an electronic device, or in other terms, we can say it is a logic circuit. Half subtractor is used to perform two binary digit subtraction, and the circuit of the half subtractor can be built with logic circuits, namely NAND and XOR gates. So next one is the truth table of the half subtractor. The truth table of the half subtractor is mentioned here, and the output of the half subtractor is mentioned in the above table also. So when we give the input as 0 0, the output will be 0 0. So next 0 1, the output will be 1 1. Next, if we give the input as 1 0, the output will be 1 0. And if we give the input 1 1, and the output will be 0 0. Difference and borrow will be the output. So next one is the logic circuit of the half subtractor. The logic circuit of the half subtractor is mentioned here, and it requires two inputs as well as gives two outputs. Here inputs are represented with A and B and the outputs are difference and borrow, as I mentioned it first itself. The above circuit can be designed with XOR and NAND gate. Here NAND gates can be built by using AND and NOT gates. So we require three logic gates for making half subtractor circuit, namely XOR gate, NOT gate and NAND gate. Combination of AND and NOT gate produce a different combined gate named as NAND gate. The XOR gate output will be the difference bit and the NAND gate output will be the borrow bit for the same inputs A and B. So next one is the how it works. So how the logic circuit works. So it is a combinational circuit. The half subtractor is a digital circuit which processes the subtraction of two 1-bit numbers. The circuit of the half subtractor consists of two inputs and three outputs. The input of the half subtractor circuit will be subtrahend and minuend. On the other hand, the output will be the difference and borrow. So next one is the Karnaugh map of the half subtractor. Normally, what is the definition of Karnaugh map? So it is the minimized form of the Boolean expression, and it is a graphical representation of the Boolean expression. This is a normal definition for Karnaugh map. So what are the rules for the Karnaugh map? It is grouping. So here single grouping is allowed, pair grouping is allowed, quad grouping is allowed, and octet grouping is allowed. So single is one grouping, pair is we are pairing 2 ones, and quad is pairing 4 ones, and octet is pairing 8 ones. That is grouping. So here opposite grouping is also allowed, large grouping is allowed, overlapping is also allowed. So we have to group the large number of ones. So in borrow, if we see, we have the large grouping as 2's and 1. So the borrow answer is A bar dot B. And for difference, here we have the maximum grouping is 2. So here difference is equal to A exclusive B. So next one is the Boolean expression. So from the truth table and Boolean expression, the expression can be derived. For difference, A bar into B plus A into B bar is equal to A exclusive B. So this is the Boolean expression for the difference. And for borrow, A bar into B is the Boolean expression for borrow. And last one is the application. So where are the half subtractors used? So that is the application of the half subtractor. So to attenuate the radio and audio signal. So attenuate is to check the radio and audio signal. In amplifier, to reduce sound distortion. In arithmetic logic unit of processors, and half subtractor is used in increment and decrement operators, and it is used to calculate the address. So these are the applications of the half subtractor. So therefore, from the above half subtractor theory, at last we can close that by using this circuit we can subtract from one binary bit from another to provide the outputs like difference and borrow. Similarly, we can design the half subtractor using NAND gate circuit as well as NOR gates. So thank you.